Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
City Bridals basangibwa ku California Plaza.
Mukano mulango kwe bali kwera ngo chale mklaba you number 1 TV station mwe kituuka ku byemikolo gye bayita Delta TV tukole tukyagenda masolo kwanjula n'embaga nga programu eno y'okwanjula n'embaga ekutuusibwako bannaffe aba City Bridals ayongera okugamba mukwano tiyavaawo wali eri ku Kamukamu Plaza kati yadda ku California Plaza lwekyo obeera onoonya City Bridals munoonyeze wali eri ku California Plaza olwo nno osobola okugenda ofuna gawuni ey'ekirooto kyo ayina gowns changing dresses maids dresses atopangisayo gawuni emu ne bakuweerako obufula girls dresses bwabwereere wali eri ku California Plaza City Bridals wali nnyo mukyala mage nkutumiddeko nnyo naye nga njagala okugamba nti ndi wano eno ku Malakai Ecology ekitende the only place to be onoonya kukola reception yambaga retreat parties birthday party graduation party baptism jangu wano emmere weeri music system embeera ya mulembe kwegamba emiti empewo ebeera efuwako n'ovaako mu congestion y'e Kampala Malakai Ecology ya mulembe esangibwa kitende negamba nti nze abanyambaza n'okunsiba enviri tusiba enviri za bulijjo by the way osobola okujja nazo n'osiba bansibya enviri be basharitas abanyambaza be basharitas abakola makeup be basharitas be bakolako bagole era ngafe abayambaza n'omukyalo ono Yvonne Mirembe ezababuuza egomesize byonna byennafe abakoze kifa babikoze naye ng'abaana batulaze essanyu bannanga abantu beyiganga magogo bamama ne bababa baife bamuna mwebale kutulaga ssanyu bangambye mbagambye nti mwenna mugende muwase mu busoga kubanga abaana bayo basanyu bamanyi okuba akalulu jjajja wa musawo Mirembe nga yakubye endulu mukyala Mukama Florence anti kuge maka ge twabaddemu yabadde musanyufu kubanga ne Eva naye yanyumye nnyo mama naye yabadde musanyufu mama wa Eva nkutumiddeko nnyo bali kubeera mukyala mulungi nnyo kati nno leka tukutuuseko omukolo guno nga Yvonne agenda n'omwemwe ogwal Vicente eyasitudde ab'enganda ze okuva eri mu Northern Uganda lira ggulu bonna n'abaleeta nagamba nze omutima gwange guliyiganga n'abaleeta naye nabo bakonyeemu bamugambye nga wafuna omuntu ati Yvonne nga mulungi bulala yanyumye nnyo n'ebirabo baleese bingi mikolo gwabadde musanyu decoration yabadde mulungi buli kimu kyabadde on point n'embeera y'obudde nayo yabadde nnungi kankutuuseeko omukolo guno okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga ku Delta TV tukole ne Malakai Ecology wamu ne City Bridals ku California Plaza.
Zivuga watawoyagala woba tontizinga ebintu by'ekibuga bibaamu okwekoza kikwano nkubirako simu bambi tombipinga siba kuchaja umeme tumulodinga kila ninapokuona ukipita na rafiki zako natamani tuongee na yesiri kirasi yako nenonye chokola nechimbula
Lata lano yazirambo okwakola ideo bakali babutimba yesewa buli kuidawa baba leze semere kuoli ngena abo tusobola okugabana obutimba so kompe balubera kana yo tubyoga bodi omwana yakire twana baba nze ndi naye nimuwe omwana ideno oli mugezi munange baba ni ozala bagezigezi
I want to know what's up. You're only party, man, everyone you know. If you're cooking, I cook out the bed, I'll anywhere she entered, baby,
They asking me if I can read the Bible. You get 1-1, but as you know,
Joluzungu kambi kulekere mu kusaawa eno niwo bosinga erukozesa. Make sure that you sit according to what you have heard and what you support.
That all of us we sit because we support all the chairs.
If you voted Museveni, sit down.
Bana, we all in Uganda we sit. Bana, tuli mu Uganda mutia.
Omulenzi omutambuze okubuzaabuza ebintu bino.
Baba, abemere nabatagagira.
Kale mwekubire ku mungalo.
You clap your face.
Leta abaana bange abasawo.
We clap for Moses' daughters.
Mweraga abasawo. Aya. Aha. Amesuka napata amakofi obugalo muri obulamu
abana bamuzeyi bali kumeneka
Subi
Wajirata.
Unkuwa ina lya Subi.
Baba ne yanziza. They have given me Subi name. You clap for me.
The reason as to why I told them to turn around and face this way.
To make the business.
I wanted you to see the other side of the coin.
Not the business.
Which business again?
Thank you, Mzee. Bana, tukubire ku Mzee Mongalo.
Bana bange mulamuse ku bagenyi abo ate ekyo kibasoka greet them in English.
Babe deni midala tujada asanguza.
You're most welcome, our dear visitors.
Kale musawo.
We are happy to receive you here.
Ne photo sinze.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Ifato bulungi.
Thank you for coming.
Twatuseira.
Muluzungu lukunoona amazola musa.
Abo tumusiramu bwatola salamu tojongerako.
Daddy?
Yes, give us the report of those people that are allowed to come in.
These people were so sick. However, they have given them some first aid.
What are they suffering from?
Unfortunately, they have a disease, Daddy.
Yes.
But I've given them some first aid. Unfortunately, there's someone, he was so ill.
Yes.
He was suffering from Evoniasis.
Evoniasis. Now, according to your interpretation, what is the suitable medication for the sick, ill person?
According to our medication,
understand,
we are going to get him a vaccine called Vicentiasis.
Vicentiasis.
Bana Vincent, we have him.
Kirapu fingers for the musawo. Imi olunyuma. Tiwa kono luno.
Musawo. Muno mutwata nga siringi. Muno mubamu bwa mpisho. Muno tutamu bwa pamba. baba bino byabasaga ifere ku Bugema University olali muno ali muno timu gali kwawo
eriyo oja bakutega abasawo mbana bayasa aya abasawo bene
baba
wanje
bano basawo bene okuleka balabe kinansi
kale the girls mulamuseku abageni abo
tusanyisa okubala babasebo
Kale nyabo.
tusanyisa okubala babanyabo
Kale nyabo.
eradde basebo
Era nyabo.
eradde banyabo
Era nyabo.
okulika amakulu
enjadde ko buzibu tudde nambe tukalabeyi
atuuseleeti anti
iwe gaba
bala abaana abegoma semyufu abo
no
kuli ku bakyala b'edimotwe eno byaliri n'abandi
it's time for to grow
then mu malenzi bayidire muno omujasi abakuuma
it's time to watch
ani boona beno bayidde akuwa
baba
raidi bwakugaba naye agolole
mukulu it's time for you to watch
then they are good time
they are good time
kale bamperako emba abaana bange bajje emiyanga
iwe dakwire
tubawe engalo
Everybody wants you back. Most of it them better. Witty, now she want that. Baby, tryna know that.
engalo d'abaana bange aye bamameni balina amakina
baba
wangi
nze abantu 10 amaze era okwebalamu
omaze
maliriza baba
situka ofuna ali kujja okwerekera wano
yesebo
so bayidde
bana can you get up people are ready
Ninakusesa mukwano. Kwongera tekuluwembecha.
yesebo
abasigayirewo
yesebo
esaidi eyo
yesebo
balina akolesa emeeza ere
yesebo
bafuneku ekyokwiza. We want to appreciate you for traveling all the way you have come from to join us here. We are so much appreciative. Just before us here, our wazee, the father, I want to request them to greet you. Then I tell you what next.
tukale bamuzeyi
Mwenda.
basome tuse
Isooka enjira.
bakwendera tuse
Muwulirirege emirembe emuli.
amina
But among fathers, there is a father. That's about Bible. I think you get me well. Then just behind them is a sample of our mothers. Kansa mama wana na kusema bageni.
You are most welcome, our visitors.
So kansa basenga tulamusema bageni abo. You are all receiving blessings from all corners. Amen. Can I request him to stand a bit? Yes. Baba emali efeneyo. Aiti jako banti mama mali efeneyo mama yaba muko.
bano ebyobusilamu ebiviiriramu details ndikuja kusaba muganda wange mulala asituke aye nga akaali kusituka abobonabona bababa mulimu ne batabani baine kyamukisa nti mutabani waine mwene omuntu omukulu maze omubona abasigaire bona batabani baine muzeyi mwene baba ate nga bonabona bababa is the one I'm requesting one person to elaborate more about the land.
He's the last boy in our family. As you can see, he's a very quiet man and a very jolly man. We love him. That's why we have traveled from afar. Come and give him a hand so that he may take your daughter, be our daughter for life. So I would say, your daughter is not going in the wrong hand. She's going in a good home, and we welcome her with both hands. And any problem she's going to face, all of us will join together to help them to grow in their house.
Ni baba we now gemem. Now, to the door, give to Vincent. Vincent,
they are going to exchange.
So can we eat?
You are free and eat. You take what?
Then after eating, you pick a glass of water each. Now, glass in dollar, Vincent in dollar.
You will do the same.
But before you take, you toss. Tossing him,
toss it more with the guys that are so we are just nothing.
What is the sign?
Anytime if you need a counselor, boy, I'll be your counselor. Boy, you te welumya. I know I wangula. Bobo yagala okwepena. Kauna tuja kuchekola. Omutima gwange togunonya otudene gwawo. Nebombuza anikofira. I want somebody like you. Yegwe kwenfira. Just like you. Chogera ndi mugumu. Just like you. Chogera ndi mugumu. Tewalina kujebasubuza. Jebasubiza nga tetojja kutukiriza. Echejo chenekoza ilabu chenekoza ditwalira ye tonumya
Wake it up. We take our seats.
Katuma, wait a minute. Ojja kuyika kolinze yetuli odamalanga okyukenga. Digita kwa Kemba.
Can you clap for the word beloved? Ipepa tuseira mama. Ali atya ye?
We are all fine.
Mbuyena ali fine, she's there inside the fine.
Oyo mwana mwala kusa.
Gentlemen.
Yesebo.
Niwe mulino oluzungu akola NTV.
Akawungezi.
We are very glad to have you here.
Awo ndo oluzungu bana. Wa kukubyeme mane.
Wanji?
Oli omwa soka awe amukubyeme mu abandi.
Metuka abandi. Mzee yaliko wakabiri olikuibira bigezo.
Ayo nasobola amachina ago iwe. Bakwewansa. Kale bano muwe kuna abandi
Bana bona abana ba muzeyi.
Bana bange mukwira mwire nga mulumya.
Bana mutankulya mpaire kubale.
Abo chefaidi kunti au tuyinza osulako.
Papa.
Bana bange munide mwanje no mwidabo malayo.
Baba tyansenwa. Eriyo nolo mwembi yena wali oyidinga bakasiru bona bemba.
Abe yaye batya.
Baba.
Soka mwape. Soka mwadia vista.
Gasa no kabubi oyo.
We happy to see you.
Even us, how are you?
You're fine?
You are fine. I can see.
Good afternoon, Tommy.
It's a good afternoon to you. How are you? How is Shimko?
She's okay.
That she's okay. Can we kill her?
Chimala mwana vola mswani kako mukono.
Fire dede.
Yoli da gandi bonayo. Bana bange mwesunzo kufanga walaye.
Baba ndoiza nganti ono.
Ukolo kusaze imwe.
Baba ebigambo biraganga kye banakola bagala bange. Mutebaze omulimu abukaire busatu bumwe bazazi.
Subi. Buwera kweli.
Baba buwera. Okumananga buwera. Muntu mulala bona babutaire ku laptop. Iwo jaba kubere sente dirimu. Lale oja ku
Subi.
Banje bampa.
Twenda kulwa mu nyama supu akola atya?
Awole baba.
Otamala bwire oti mudinka akula legingi.
Yes sir.
Kuba legingi na amakulu ge bifaanana.
Yes sir.
Nsonga kye balese.
Can you clap for the museum? Enga ndoli kubulira side eno dakusima bye bairewo. You are going to do what I am going to do. You follow me.
They are your followers.
Bano bendija nabo. Ono bandija na yega. Mugeye nono. Baba.
Wanji.
Baba mulungi. Tusimye ine bintu bina byona. Erenga lede dowulira dakusima. Bali nakululala. Ide wetwabere nga ku birthday. Omwana mulenzi oweri na ibeta vise. Twalirenga keke nga etali kwogera. Pamukati lwaki? Tutiyogera. Yayogerenga kigambo kirala kyokka ati mago. Takati mago niki? Ati takati magogo. Takati kai magogo eriyo ki? Mwana mulenzi imwe tumwesimba lukono bano tiwa imwe. Mwana mulenzi bwe yakobya ati magogo buli omu yasanala ati eriyo ki? Ati mujja kutuuka mu maka amalungi. Amaka ge basenenkereire. Amaka ge bafumbye mu bulungi. Amaka ge batimbye bulungi. Ojja kwagana muzeeyi nga ikalire mu ntebe. Ate nga ye yabona omusana. Baba noguli kwokyerawo. Ati ajja kuleetera ensonga.
Oli kibona bwino oli abowo.
Baba. Imwe ababona omusana nimwe abatyamire.
Ejja mu maiso.
Muzeeyi yakatire mutukanga basokanga balamusaako. Olumala okubalamusaako mwasaba muntu mulala. Senga ow'ensonga. Ate twogeranga bino ng'ali mu madinisa atulengeza.
Subi. Oli kwenda ani?
Baba senga ow'ensonga.
Ate okwo tyali mu kyalo ki?
Baba ali ngene gano.
Kwe tyali mu idinisa?
Ali abanga eyo gyebeta mu madinisa ng'atulengeza era ng'akwatindigana.
It is okay do omuleeta.
Baba n'obuwombeefu nze gano baba wakuza abaana kasita
banamuleeta ku bwereere
be ye yakuba bwa kigambo kirala ati nze entambula gy'akozesa
katumwaida
akolesa ntambula gye beeta TVS tyama vaaku sasulamu omugaigali eno
isimaida kuwana
okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
City Bridals basangibwa ku California Plaza.